This is Forza 13, Australia. Welcome to another update on the local weather scene for Tuesday, the 8th of May 2018. And budget to be handed down at 7:30 tonight. Bureau Meteorology's 12-hourly rainfall scale, right hand side of the screen. And again, it's the area south of Fraser Island down into northern New South Wales, the west coast of Tasmania. This is a developing picture. We'll see the activity increasing on the east coast of Tasmania and parts of Victoria. And it looks like it's going to be the northeastern region of Victoria. The total forecast of rain across the forecast period, it's the area in green through to dark blue. The first musical track is the latest release from Nathan over in the UK Manchester area. It was released about 25 hours ago. And note the area in dark blue, east coast of Tasmania and probably around the South Gippsland region in Victoria. All severe weather warnings have been cancelled. This is a total precipitation GFS model, and you can check out the Pivotal Weather website. The scale intensity or millimetres, bottom of the screen, and again it's the purple through to dark brown. West coast New Zealand, east coast Tasmania. This is a few minutes old. I captured this with the Brisbane radar, which is now operational. Has been for probably a couple of weeks now. Strong wind warning, lower east, southeast, southwest, central west coast. And cancellation down there in Tasmania for the following areas. And this is a look at the Tweed River mouth live webcam available on a website operated by the New South Wales government. The latest instability from 1300 hours for the next 24 hours. And parts of Queensland from Fraser Island down into northern New South Wales have had some nice rainfall. Budrum, which is inland from the Sunshine Coast, recorded over 80 millimetres. And Redcliffe to the north of Brisbane, 24 millimetres to 9 a.m. this morning. And Brisbane received about the same amount. Now we look at storm probabilities for the same stated period. And again, we appreciate the support to the AU channel and to the video content. Force 13 is always on the outlook for those that are interested, or I should say have a background in computer graphic designs. And look at the precipitation, the total and the value, bottom of the screen. Graphic designers are a priority item for Force 13. If you'd like to become a member, the contact details as usual at the end of the updates. The Himawari 8 satellite view, it's the rainbow imagery for Australia's western region. Himawari 8 satellite view, Australia's eastern, southwestern and New Zealand regions. BSCH website, it's a GFS model and it's the wind probabilities, and note the area in dark red. It's another system to track east from the southwest of WA, and again you can see that it's going to be Tasmania. My eldest daughter had 4 days down there in Tasmania, arrived home yesterday, and she said that it was very, very cold, and as mentioned earlier, the Bureau's cancelled all warnings down there in Tasmania. Another look at a slow developing Invest 97W. We'll also have a look at the various floaters. Joy Typhoon Warning Centre is located near 13.3 north, 153.4 degrees east, approximately 365 nautical miles northeast of Chuk. Apology for the pronunciation. Spelling is Charlie Hotel Uniform Kilo. Animated multispectral satellite imagery displays a improved yet still elongated, fully exposed low level circulation to the rest of flowering convection. (97W) is currently in a band of moderate 10 to 20 knot vertical wind shear, with higher values to the north and improving outflow aloft. Sea surface temperature remains warm, around 27 to 29 degrees Celsius. Here's a look at a intensity guide, and I have it as a tropical storm or Cat 1 on the Australian scale, but with it up in the Northern Territory. Northern Hemisphere. It'll be a tropical storm. One track on it, and here are the floaters. Maximum sustained surface winds estimated at 15 to 20 knots. Minimum sea level pressure is estimated to be around the 1007 millibar. Joy Typhoon Warning Centre has it at low, and you can definitely see the white and the black. That is the cooling of the cloud tops.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, which has had a revamp and is still under reconstruction, but take a look. Also YouTube, of course, if you haven't subscribed, that might be a good idea. Visit Force 13. We're also on Facebook under the same name, of course, and you can like us on there, and you can also follow us on Twitter. Search Force 13, all in text for those. You can also add Force 13 on Skype, or my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.